Okay, this is my meanest hive. I killed the very last queen. Where is she? There she goes. She's dead. I had to kill her because she's the reason why all these bees are so mean. So I've taken all these frames out to get to her, and I found her. And their queen is right here inside this little box. As you can see, a little bee butt in there. They're eating the candy and letting her out. Okay, trying to get a good focus there. That's where the new queen is. She's the one with the white dot on her back. And they just have to finish letting her out. And that is how I'll get these bees to be nicer to me.